Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to clear cache and data for applications installed on your Android phone. I'll be doing this on my Samsung Note 10 Plus phone. This is great if you're having issues with applications or if you're running out of storage space on your phone. This should resolve all your application issues. So let's open up your settings on your phone, then scroll down and find apps. Now find the app you're having issues with or is taking up storage space. I know I have an app called Telegraph installed on my phone and that downloads a lot of videos. I'll find Telegraph within that list, then find storage, and as you can see it's taking up 43 GB worth of data. Tap on storage. Then at the bottom right, tap on clear cache. Give some time and then you should see cache turn to 0 kilobytes, and that shows that your cache has been cleared. Here I have another example where I'll be clearing data and cache on this application. This will resolve any application issues I experienced with the app. If you tap clear data, this will delete all your files, settings, accounts and database related to that application. And that is how to clear cache and data for your application installed on your Android phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more social media and tech tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one.